to the island. We're gonna fish some grass beds. Wow. All right, you guys didn't see that, thankfully, because I just watched that. I'm gonna start out, once again, I'm the same video as the video last time. It's a Curado 150 MGL on a Silverado Ducket. I got a Paul Brown tied on. And on this, I got a Shimano Stratic. I think it's a 3500. It's on the Shimano GLF. I got a Voodoo Shrimp tied on. Jimmy has a Shimano Stratic on a Ducket Silverado.
500 on a Silverado.
And then this one right here, it's a Vanford, was it a 4000 XG on a Halo, what is that, the Black Widow? Yeah, the Halo Black Widow with another Paul, the Fat Boy Paul Brown. So, we're gonna target grass beds and let's see what we can make happen, y'all. The islands, everyone's doing pretty good out here, so of course it's a late start. It's always a late start for us. I get off work at 7 a.m., so I don't get those luxuries of waking up at 4 o'clock in the morning and getting out here. But let's get to it, y'all. Got him. Good one, good one. Oh, he's pulling a drag, dude. On the Paul Brown. He's ripping drag, ripping drag. Yeah, I don't know if it's a red or a big trout. Y'all, we are hooked up on the Paul Brown. It's a good fish. Unless it's snagged and it's something we don't want, but we'll see. On the PV, it's coming in. Oh my God.
Holy moly.
Ain't no way.
Is it?
Ain't no way.
Get your net.
Ain't no way. That's what I think it is. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's a... I don't even want to say it right now.
A hard head?
No. It's a giant. It's a giant.
Then what are you doing?
I don't know what I'm doing right now.
What the hell?
I'm new to this. Oh my God, that's my PB. That's my PB. There we go, boys. Yes.
Hey.
On the Paul Brown. Yo, look at the size. And we don't have a stick to measure it, do we? I've never caught a trout that big.
Oh yeah, dude, that's like, dude, you might have beat mine, dude. This is probably 24.
Dude, I've never caught a trout that big before.
Oh, this.
Yo, I'm so pumped up right now. It's big. I just want to say,
Thank you, Jimmy.
thank you. Yeah, thank you, Jimmy, for saying, hey, let's go over here. Thank you, Rocky Brooks, for, you know,
Suggesting a bait.
yeah, telling us which bait to use, how to do it. Look how big
I'm about to get a measurement for you here.
look how big that trout is, y'all. Oh my God.
24? Probably 24.
Oh my
God.
Here, let me show everyone real quick here. Hold this. Yo, look at that trout. Look at
Monster.
It's a monster. Throwing Paul Browns at the rocks. Look, we came out here to do something, y'all, and we did it. When I didn't know what it was. I never get that lucky. I was like, it's probably something
It's not lucky,
snagged.
dude.
I was like,
We were brought to the spot for a reason.
That's true. All right, I'm gonna run to the boat real quick, guys. I'm gonna get the bump board. He's probably 23.
He's probably 23. He's 24. I'm sure he's 24. Nice
right.
trout, man.
Appreciate it, man. Yo,
That's what we came for.
look at this stud right here, yo.
That's what we do,
That is
son.
it. Look at the stud.
Oh, he's a big trout. He's a big boy.
Come on, Jimmy.
Big old trout. Oh my God, he's big.
Let's go.
My PB.
Let's go.
My PB, baby.
Yes.
Just go. Let's go. Let's
That's
go.
bigger than mine.
Let's go, bro. Oh my God.
Bro, I think you. I'm not gonna say, but we need a bump board.
Let's go get the bump board. We'll be right back. That trout is huge. Yes.
I'm about to hit
All
my
right.
PB, boys.
We were actually, guys, we were headed back to the boat to put this trout on a bump board. Jimmy says, hooked up! Studs, bro!
And he came on top of water, I was like, that's a trout.
Hey, this is why I get off work every morning at 7 a.m. and I'm like, let's go fishing.
I might have just got my citation.
You might have got, I don't know if it's a
I think
citation.
it's 27, right?
28. Wait, is it 27?
27. That's
It might be 27. It might be 27. I thought it was 28. I don't have my citation, but I got a PB and that's
Bro,
what
I
matters.
might have just got my PB.
All right,
Hell yeah.
we're gonna go measure these trout. They're headed right over there. We're gonna go measure these trout.
Come on.
And Jimmy?
He came off the lure.
Oh, bro, he's huge.
Wow, he almost came off.
23.
23, baby.
That breaks the PB. 22 and a quarter was my PB. 23, broke it.
Let's go.
All right, I'm gonna release it real quick. Oh, actually, no, we're not. We're gonna get a picture. Pictures.
Come on, put yours in the net. Put yours in the net.
Come on. All right, so mine's 23. Beat 25. That's a freaking.
That's a stud, dude.
Come on, she's thick, boy. Oh.
No way.
They're both 23.
23 and a quarter. Just a really thick 23 and a
Really
quarter.
thick 23. Okay.
Wow.
All right, that's okay. Those are
23.
big trout, y'all.
I thought I beat my PB, but I didn't quite.
It's all right.
Just a thick
Let's get some
girl.
pictures. All right, y'all. Let's revive these fish.
Oh, she's big, dude.
Oh,
Golly, she's
look
big.
at these big girls, 23s. Oh, she's about ready.
Yeah, this one's ready.
Yeah.
Watch her go. There she goes. She's just cruising the beach.
That's crazy.
Cruising the sandbar.
There they both go. Look at them.
Oh, it's beautiful. That's it, baby. Let's go. Let's get back out there and get some
Let's get
more.
back out there, y'all.
Go get your fish.
Come on, be another big one.
Oh, he ain't huge.
He's not huge.
No, but he's different.
Oh, you just realized he was hooked?
Catfish.
It's like cat.
Don't
Watch
come
out.
to me.
How did that even happen?
No idea.
Here, I got pliers.
Do you?
Oh, you got those fish dip hookers. That's what those are there for.
Hey, stop recording.
Dude, he ate it as I was. That was crazy. I don't know how good he's hooked.
Here, come this way.
He's running. He's running. He's running. That was crazy. He's,
Oh, it's a
he's
monster.
big. He's big.
It's a monster.
That is crazy.
Josh, I'm walking that way.
I don't know what I'm doing at the moment. I don't know what to do with my hands. I feel like Ricky Bobby right now.
But come on.
He's running, bro. Oh my God.
Monster. He's a monster. Come on, Josh. Get some.
Dude, he's running. I can't just. Oh,
Wow, he's a monster.
he's big. No, he doesn't like that. He didn't like that. He didn't like that. Oh my God. He's just going. He's going. He won't stop. Look at him. This is crazy.
Pressure, bro. Keep the pressure.
I've got pressure, I promise you. This is a big trout.
It's a big trout.
Big trout.
He's 23. I think you just hit the BP again, dude.
Did I beat my PP 2 days? I don't know. He's big, but I don't know if he's that big. Dude, he came up and smoked it. I was reeling in this Paul Brown, y'all. I was reeling it in. He came
just
up
smoked
and
it on
just
top.
started head shaking everywhere. Oh, he's big.
He's a nice trout.
Very big. Very nice.
Come to me.
I'm coming to you. Oh, no, he didn't like that. You know why I'm nervous right now?
Because you didn't hook him very well?
That and there's rusty hooks.
Oh, he inhaled
Oh,
it.
he inhaled it.
Inhaled it.
He
Watch out
inhaled
for the
it.
teeth, though.
I got fluorocarbon.
He's bleeding everywhere.
Oh, no, he's not going to make
Come
it.
here.
Oh
dude,
my
monster.
God. He's about the same size as the other ones.
Oh, that's a monster.
Oh my God. Let's go. Let's go, y'all. Let's go. I don't think he's going to make it, dude.
Yeah, he inhaled it. We might have to keep him.
That's a big trout, y'all.
Bro.
I'm trying to just realize what just happened. Where's your fish grips? Like, here, hold this, Jonathan, please. Oh my gosh. He just inhaled that PB.
On the retrieve, dude. I ain't never seen that.
Oh, he's so much bigger than the last one. We got to measure him.
So much bigger?
Look at him, dude.
He's long.
He's very
not
long.
Fat, but he's long. Where's that bunk?
Oh, man.
Yeah, you're about to keep him. He's bleeding when he was reeling in.
That Paul Brown is down
Oh.
there. I hate keeping fish like this.
That's all right.
But y'all, maybe I can do some surgery. Hold on.
He's bleeding pretty good on this end.
I'm just telling you, look at he choked that PB. They are wanting these Paul Browns right now.
That wasn't even like a delay reaction. It was actually on a retrieve.
I was retrieving it and he just inhaled it. Like, you can't make that up. Oh man, I hate having to kill this fish. There's no way I can get that out. It's not possible. All right, well, we'll get back to you after we take the hook out. So, we are not able to save that trout. He just inhaled that lure. It was stuck in the gills. So I don't like keeping fish like this. I've said it a million times. You know, release over 20 if you can. But y'all, look at that stud. He's not gonna make it. I'm not gonna just put him in the water to let him die and go to waste. We're gonna consume that fish. That's the best thing you can do. It's not gonna go to waste, but we'll get a measure of it whenever we go to the shore. But y'all, I'm telling you, how crazy is that? God, thank you so much for today. That was just wild. I don't even know what to say. I'm speechless. So I got Jonathan right now throwing. Hopefully he can catch a PB real quick. He hasn't caught a trout over 15 inches, so this is his time to shine. Jimmy, we're still trying to beat Jimmy's PB. It's kind of hard to do. He got a 25-inch trout. So his PB is 25. Mine's now 23 on the dot. So y'all, let's find some fish. It's not my fault. I was literally retrieving the lure. He comes and just smokes it. It was the coolest thing I've ever seen. The trout's just coming up, splashing all over the place. It was wild. I didn't know he inhaled it though. But we're about to get a measurement on this fish and then go back in. So we'll see y'all back on. Well, actually, you know what? Let's get the measurement and then we'll see y'all back on the boat.
Watch out for the teeth.
Yeah, they're there.
22. Push him. 22 3/4. Almost 23. 23.
23.
Yeah, push it.
Push it. There you go. Almost 23 and a half.
23 and a half.
Almost. Right here. It's on that. 23, a little over 23 and a quarter. So, 23 and a quarter.
Same.
Nice. That's your PB.
Again.
Yeah. 2 PBs broke.
Same day.
I don't even know what to say right now. That's just wow. That's stuff that you that's why we come fishing, y'all. Is to make stuff like that happen. Never would I thought. Now I hate that the fish passed away. That sucks that it died. But things like that happen fishing. Those treble hooks, man, they show no mercy. No mercy, yeah. They get in the wrong spot. That fish is no longer with us. But man, just an awesome day. That's all you can say. It's an awesome day. So let's get back to the boat and
Gonna call it a day.
Yeah, we're gonna call it a day, y'all.
This is how you're supposed to do it, guys. Most boat ramps fit 2 boats. All right, Jonathan.
Just come up a little bit.
Come on, just come in here a little bit. Just a little bit more up.
Jonathan, go up.
All right, right there, right there.
Put the hook on.
All right, Jonathan.
No, you're fine, you're fine.